Fieldturf and Balsam Pacific both sold artificial turf for use as sporting surfaces like, for instance, hockey fields. Fieldturf alleged that Balsam Pacific's product infringed on their patent. In their statement of claim, they outlined the patent and the alleged infringements. In response, Balsam Pacific did not plead a defence as such. They merely pleaded that they did not admit the claim. It wasn't clear whether they admitted some aspects of the claim or whether they were forcing the other side to prove everything in their claim just to be difficult. Fieldturf sought an order for further particulars, in essence asking the court to order Balsam Pacific to specifically clarify which aspects of the claim were not admitted. In determining the application, Justice Finkelstein looked at the historical nature of pleadings and made some important general observations. First, he said, according to Lord Wolfe, the overriding objective of civil procedure is to enable the court to deal with cases justly. This means the court must, so far as is practical, attempt to place the parties on an equal footing, save expense, deal with the case in ways which are proportionate to the amount of money involved, the importance of the case, the complexity of the issues, and the financial position of the parties. Ensure that the case is dealt with expeditiously and fairly, and allot to the case an appropriate share of the court's resources, while keeping in mind the necessity of allotting other resources to other cases. He then expanded on that point as follows. The proper conduct of litigation will substantially be assisted if parties are compelled to identify what are the issues in dispute. The litigation process will also be assisted if parties are required to specify which facts alleged against them are conceded so as to avoid unnecessary proof. If the court can compel the admission of facts which are not in dispute, this will reduce significantly the scope of discovery, and equally importantly, it will limit the evidence at trial. This will save the litigants time and money. In complex litigation, the savings in time and expense may be quite significant. In other words, it's not okay in a civil matter to simply put the other party to proof by admitting nothing and forcing them to prove everything. It wastes the time and money of both the parties and the court.